Hello friends, this is the second lecture on duality. Two circuits are said to be dual when node equation of circuit number 1 is same as loop equation of circuit number 2. We have to discuss one problem. Statement is draw the dual network for the circuit shown in figure. I will tell you the step-by-step procedure to draw the dual network. So this one is the given circuit consisting of a 10 volt source, 2 ohm resistor, 3 Henry inductor and 4 farad capacitor. We have to draw its dual network. Attention here, we are having two independent loops. So we have to mark two nodes, one node corresponding to loop number 1, another node corresponding to loop number 2. I am naming it as A and this is B. Now I am drawing one reference line and this is say indicated by C. Now I have to join A to B through the element. Now I am joining B to C through this element which is a capacitor. Now I am joining A to C through the element and that is a resistor. Now again I am joining A to C through voltage source. Now see the case here, you watch carefully. This is point A, so this is point A here, this is point B, so that is point B. Now I am working on this line. This line is starting from A and ending at B. 3 Henry inductor is connected. You concentrate here, A to B, 3 Henry inductor is connected. And remember, dual of inductor is capacitor here. So I am connecting a capacitor and value will remain same here. So that is 3 farad capacitor. This line that I am drawing here. Now I am working on this line. B to C. 4 farad capacitor is connected. And remember, dual of capacitor is inductor. इस लाइन ये लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है? B से स्टार्ट हो रही है और C तक आ रही है. इसमें कौन सा एलिमेंट है? तो यहाँ पर कैपेसिटर है, इसकी वैल्यू 4 फेराड है. तो मैं B से एक लाइन स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ और ड्यूल ऑफ कैपेसिटर इज इंडक्टर. वैल्यू विल रिमेन सेम, so that is 4 here. So this line is covered, line is also covered. Now I am working on this line. मैं इस लाइन के ऊपर काम कर रहा हूँ. ये लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है? A से स्टार्ट हो रही है और C को आ रही है. A से स्टार्ट हो रही है और C को आ रही है. I am working on this line. कौन सा एलिमेंट आ रहा है? 2 ohm resistor is connected here. So I am drawing a line and dual of resistors, that is a conductance. So a conductance is connected here and value will remain same, but unit of conductance is mho here. Now I am working on this line. ये लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है? A से स्टार्ट हो रही है और C तक आ रही है. कौन सा एलिमेंट इसमें आ रहा है? तो it is very clear, 10 volt source is here. So I am starting a line from A और एलिमेंट आ रहा है 10 volt source. So this will be replaced by 10 ampere current source. remember dual of voltage source is current source and value will remain same, so that is 10 ampere. So that is how to draw the dual of the given circuit diagram. ये आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा, I hope so. Now I am telling you the important rule related with the direction of current source. Concentrate here. If the voltage rise is in the clockwise direction, if the voltage rise is in the clockwise direction in the original network, remember this is the original network. So if the voltage rise is in the clockwise direction in the original network, then current will flow towards that node. Then current will flow towards that node. It means node A. Current will flow towards that node. That is the rule how to decide the direction of current in the current source. I hope so dual नेटवर्क कैसे बनाते हैं ये आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. अगले वीडियोस में हम मिलेंगे कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel.